when I got the truck, it came with Flowmaster 44 series or 40 series, and they're a great muffler. Loved them. They were loud, a little bit obnoxious, but it had a little bit too much drone to it, and they were a little bit rappy. And I didn't mind it so much. It wasn't the best, but I know that my wife really didn't care for it. And the one thing with this truck that we wanted to do is I wanted it to be fun for myself and for my wife to be able to drive around, for her to be able to drive. We put power steering, power brakes on it for that purpose. I wanted to change the exhaust system to be something that we both could enjoy. And so we went ahead and got, I believe it's the Delta 50 series Flowmaster, and we put those on. And so this video just shows the differences from the 40 series to the 50 series and the process of changing that over. And at the end of the video, I do have a before and after of the two different mufflers, as well as a full speed rip for the 50 series. And so thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy it.
Oh, gotta get these mufflers out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead. These are old used ones, but they worked fine. They're just too loud. So I'm gonna cut them off right here, right behind my booger welds. And then I'm gonna extend the pipes back by 18 inches or so, and I have offset inlet outlets to hopefully get the outlet to miss the shock, and then hopefully get some turn downs that'll go right behind the rear axle. So let's see how it goes. Alright, now we got them both cut off. Gotta clean those edges up, but it'll be a little easier now. Let's get some pipes cut. Alright, well, the true test is passed. Had my wife come out and sit in the truck with me, and we started it up, and she likes it. So I'm going to be using these band clamps to attach the rear portions of the exhaust system, because the way that it routes through the truck, the only way to be able to take the transmission out is to remove the exhaust system, and it has to come out in pieces, so this way it's easily accessible. So it's a lap joint because of how this exhaust is put together. And this was 2-pack, found them on Amazon for 18 bucks for 2, as opposed to 17 bucks for 1 at my local auto parts store. So shopping on Amazon definitely can save you a little bit of money, and I'll put a link in the description. All right, let's see if I can allow you to see some of what's going on. So got the band clamp on the front. I actually used a band clamp down there on the H pipe as well, because I had to take the transmission out to replace the flex plate because the starter's gnawing it up, and so I had to take the exhaust out that way. And so now we
Have the mufflers, turn downs behind the axle, and nice and solid on both of them. And for an exhaust system, I wouldn't say that's too bad for those welds. I've done worse. Now we just gotta start her up, see what it sounds like.